everyone, I'm Lorie from Dee's with another great kit for you. So today we have this adorable snowman plaque. This one says Snowflake Wishes, and we have accented it with a holly and greenery accent bow that will be quick and easy to make. Also, you're going to have your choice. We also have the snowman that says Mistletoe Kisses. So you'll be able to choose between A or B of your favorite. So let's get started. So everything that you need will be in your kit. Of course, you'll have your sign, your greenery, your 2 holly picks, your wire, and your ribbons. So to get started, all we're going to do is just trim the stem on this snowman, on this snowberry pick, sorry. And we're going to fluff this open and kind of spread this greenery out some. And next, we're going to take our holly picks. And again, you want to remove your tags. And then I'm just going to trim the stems off just a little bit. We're going to open these up and lay one there. Do the same thing to the other one. We're just going to trim off that stem and open it up. And we're going to lay the other one right there together. So we're just making a little mini swag. And we're going to take our wire here and wrap it around our 3 stems that we have. Just wrap that right around there and then just pull it nice and tight to cinch them all together. So I'm just going to pull that real tight there. And that will keep all of our stems together, and we've created a little mini swag. Next, we're going to take our ribbons. We have this really cute red with a gray plaid, and we're going to use that for our first bow. Remember, we're going to make our tail, twist, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. Then we're going to take our really cute, this is a, it's almost a felty feel to it, and it has that little snow speckling on it with the white stitching. So it's a really cute, fun ribbon too. Again, you're just going to twist, pinch, and gather. So now we have a mixed bow. We're going to take our other piece of wire and wrap it around. Pull it nice and tight. And then we're just going to go right in the center of our swag piece and tie this right onto our swag, just like so. Go back and fluff that bow up, make it all pretty. And then we're going to trim our tails. So you just fold your wire edges to where they're touching, fold in half, and those edges will be touching, and then just cut that little triangle right out. Or, of course, you can always do an angle cut. So we have our bow made. So now we're going to take our little door hanger. And the door hanger is going to come with this little jute handle. So I'm going to untie this. And I like to make mine come down just a little bit lower. Now you can leave it as long or as short as you want, but I am going to shorten mine up just a little bit. And then we're going to take our swag and lay that right on top. Let's go ahead and knot this. We'll knot that just like so. Now we're going to take our swag and put it right on top of where that knotted piece is. And we're going to take these jute tails and we are just going to attach our swag to our door hanger using our existing door hanger. Then you can go back and trim these if you don't want them hanging down long. And quick and easy, you have an adorable snowman door hanger. You can get these kits at shopdeeslouisville.com and stay tuned for more fun ideas from Dees.